Hi, superstars. It is time for math, and we are on lesson 15-1. We are going to be talking about inside and outside. So, do you remember the question that we are going to be talking about and answering in topic 15? It is, what words can be used to describe the position and location of shapes? You can describe where an object or a person, an animal, or a shape is by using special words. And we're going to be talking about inside and outside today. All right, let's look at this work mat. What do you see here? Looks like a farm, doesn't it? And this is a fence, right? So the farmer is trying to get some horses inside this fence. And for horses, I am going to use these objects to represent horses, okay? If you have some blocks or if you have crayons or if you have horses, you can put them so that you can do this with me. It can be any object that's representing a horse. I'll get something to represent a horse really quick. Okay. So farmer is trying to get the horses inside the fence. Where are the horses right now? Where do they look like they are? This is the fence. Point to the fence for me. This is the fence, right? So where are the horses? That's right, they are outside of the fence. Okay, so let's move our horses inside the fence. So now where are they? Inside the fence. How do we know that they're inside the fence? How do you know that? Well, the fence is around the horses. Do you see that? So it's around the horses. They are inside the fence, and that's how you know they're inside there. Okay, so they're outside the fence when we move them. Now they're outside, and then you can move them back inside. So those are the words we're talking about today. Okay, now let's look at the other animals that are in the barn here, or outside of the barn. Where is this dog in relation to the barn? Is he inside the barn or outside of the barn? That is correct. He is outside. How about the cow? The cow is inside the barn. Very good. And the sheep? Inside the barn. How about the chicken right here? This chicken. Is he outside or inside? Or is she outside or inside? Outside. Very good. I see a spider here. Is this spider inside or outside? Inside the barn. Very good. Okay. Let's move our little horses and let's turn our paper over. Remember, we are talking about outside and inside. So let's look at our first picture here. What do you see? Well, there's a pig and there's a pig pen. Is the pig inside or outside of the pig pen? Outside. Very good. And over here, the pig is inside the pig pen. So here, the pig is outside, and here, the pig is inside. Now, let's look over at the third picture. This is a treasure chest. Where is it? Is it outside of the fish bowl, or inside of the fish bowl? It is outside of the fish bowl. Very good. And over here is the fish bowl. I'm sorry, the treasure chest. Is it inside the fish bowl or outside of the fish bowl? Yes, it is inside of the fish bowl. Good job. All right. Let's look at number 1. I want you to circle the animals that are outside of the pond. All right, do you see this frog? He is outside of the pond, so you put a circle around him. Look for any other animals that are outside of the pond and put a circle around them. And then you are going to mark an X on the animals that are inside the pond. This dog is inside the pond, so we put an X. So look for the other animals that are inside the pond and put an X over them. You can use a crayon. That way it'll show up better. All right, and circle the animals that are outside of the pond. Now let's look at number 2. You are going to draw a square inside the house, anywhere inside the house. So you have all of these windows that are looking inside the house. So draw a square inside this. And then draw a circle outside the house. So you're going to draw a square inside the house and a circle outside of the house. Good job, superstars. Until next time, have an awesome day. Bye.